name is Matt, and I am a day trader, and I've been trading for the last 2 years. And this year in particular has been a great opportunity if you're a day trader, mainly because the opportunities that the coronavirus brought to the market. And I know the coronavirus has been absolutely devastating to the world, with lockdowns and isolations and everything that's been going on. But if you're some sort of a day trader or investor, then man, what a time to be alive. It's just provided a great opportunity to learn and also make some money. Now, the last 2-3 weeks, the market has been really quiet. And so I decided to kind of start a small account challenge. So I funded $2,000 in Trade Zero, and I'm gonna, trying to document my progress in growing that account and share it with you guys. And I hope you guys will be able to learn a little bit more from me, and I hope I'll learn a lot from you guys as well. Now I'll show you the account that I funded with Trade Zero, so you guys know exactly how much money that I have. On a daily basis, I'll be sharing pretty much all the trades and how much money in it. So as you can see right here, equity, it says 2,700. Now I funded it on 2 days ago, so I've had 2 trading days, which I already recorded the video, and I'll be sharing that with you guys. So as you can see on here, equity $2,700. I have 2,700. I started with 2,000. I already made 700, and I'll be sharing with you guys. So I'll be sharing all of my strategies, all the nitty-gritty, the processes from scanners and trading entries and exits, and the reason why I'm doing it. And I know some of you probably are better traders than I am, so if you see that I'm making a mistake or something like that, just comment below so that I can improve. And if you learn something as well, just comment below and let me know what you learned and what you've changed in terms of trading. Now we'll just get to one of the trading days that I did on Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed, and here we go. Just had a starter in VVPR, which is right here. It's averaged at 30, 200 shares, located 400 shares, but I should have gone on it. Let's see. So I paid $80 for the locates on that one.
Well, let's go on parabolic map, dude.
Yep. Let's see what locate is. What is it called? KCAC.
AC, yeah. I showed it some.
Did you?
Yeah.
KCAC, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, locates. It says Inception Fund. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you see, this is the fucking problem because I don't have the buying power. It says Inception Fund. Come on, give me something. So it doesn't cover me. All right, 2-3, 2-8, 3-8. Need 5. Need about 5. Nicely done. Let's see how far could this go. Could it bounce or could it, not bounce. We're right on 80 now, which is, So are you in with the KCAC?
Yeah, I mean.
Alright, I'm in KCAC at 87. It's 23. So I've converted for 23. Let's see, this one is my average is at 15. I mean, I want to cover a 1060 area, but will it come down there is the question. Yeah. Will it come down there is the question. Fuck, man. We should share the API, dude.
I mean, short PLM 300.
Which PLM?
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy motherfucker. Why PLM? Oh shit. Okay. Looks good. Looks okay. What's the average?
600 now.
Damn, boy. The aggression is real. Okay, questionable trades. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with this. I mean, I should have taken some there, for sure. Because with this basis, it could actually go higher. The fact that volume is low and it ain't dropping is definitely a sign for me. Chip down some, maybe. Oh my god, man. API, dude. Look at API. You should play API. Look at this thing. Look at API.
I'm fucking hammering this one right now.
You should be hammering API.
What am I doing to it? I have no idea. Wait, what's API?
Dude, it looks fucking epic. Problem is, I can't play it. I have to cover half here. For a bit of loss, I think. It's manageable though. $30, I'm pretty sure probably covered some price. Nice. This thing was dropping. Fuck, why did I get 400 of this, man? GPR. Man, this thing is fucking epic. I was literally saying for 51, man. I was literally saying short from 51.
Can you check whether the VOR is accounted?
Damn, boy. PLM? Yeah. So I'm not sure how comfortable I am with this one here. But I'm only holding 100 shares. $10 down on it. Position. That's fine.
I'm gonna go take a walk.
Why?
Let's go! Let's go!
How many shares are you in? How many shares you're in?
1,000. Holy shit.
Oh, what's your average?
420.
Nice.
Huh?
Nice. Not enough buying power. That's what I needed. That fucking at
Sorry,
least
man.
3,000, man.
I reckon you would have fucking banked, man, if you weren't talking to that guy this morning.
Yeah, I had to talk to that guy. No, it's fine. Fuck, man. Even JRWG. Just drop like a motherfucker. Yeah, I think, I don't know. Now, KCAQ, it's KCAC. Fuck, no. It's consolidating at a higher level.
I'm pretty confident with it coming back down to at least like the 2270 area.
Which one?
KCAC.
You think so? I think this might go. I'm thinking it might actually go to 25. That's what I'm thinking.
What do you mean? Huh?
I'm trying to cover at 23. I have a cover for 23.
Oh, wait, don't say that.
Do you think it can't push? I think it will push. I think this might go to 25. Oh, this fucking place, man. Well, commission and locates. Locates pretty much. I'm in. So about fuck, that's 80 bucks right there. UVPR. 80, 100.
Damn,
50.
supporting again, huh?
Yeah. Even VVPR, it's been supporting. See how it actually played out last couple of days. So it does that. Supports cracks. Supports cracks.
Come on, give us a big fucking pull, man.
Which one?
KCAC.
Yeah. Hope so too, but maybe not. Yeah. I'm fucking hoping for a washer right here, but really not giving me.
70. No. That was an ugly buy up.
What's the average anyway?
I've been adding. So my average is 23.73. I just don't like how it supports like this.
Hmm. Nice cover right there. If I covered it properly, which I did. Cover it. Let's see history log. Cover it at 64. That was fucking good. There's 60 right there. Boom, take this bitch.
Hey yo.
Downside. Wow. Do you think this will have like a bounce? It's gonna open soon. 54.30 should open soon. So let's see. I mean, it's open at 4:30. Just put it there. Risk would be below 4 would be the risk. Wow, big buyers actually 490 area. $440. Alright, I'm in. Oh shit, I got it.
What price are you in?
I think I got it at 95.
It's gonna hold.
Yeah, I got it at 95. Fuck, shit, I wanted to get it at 40, but got it at 95.
That's alright.
Not really, but 300 shares. Boom, let's go.
Boom, bitch.
Oh, what price is it gonna open? Nah, it's not. It's gonna go down as soon as it opens.
That's right. When it goes down, I'll be the buyer.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna go up. It's gonna go down as soon as it opens. So I have to sell at 540. at least before 540. But let's see. It's probably gonna open the gap down, and let's see. Okay, I mean, I can see buyers here. I can see a little bit of buyers here. This shows me more depth. Dude, you know how you can see the market depth thing? It's open at 510. $11, 20 seconds. What the fuck? Alright. Don't mind walking in. A lot more of that. Okay, nice. Alright. Well, can't really complain about that, can I now? So I'm in this one with an average EBON 850. So I was in 400 shares from there. Coverage some there. So yeah, I covered the rest here in the flush of that, and 2-1 candle, big drop. Let's fill in now. That might wanka get me out. Oh fuck, bro. I might bounce from here, yeah. Might bounce. What's the time? 13, okay. Color washer. Big. Did you see 50? Holy shit, big numbers at 50. This is where I originally wanted to take some off. This is the... Alright, what is it gonna do here? This is the trend line. Literally. Alright, I took off there. 53. Up to 2 hours.
So 1 more minute and this 5-minute candle closes, so we'll see what happens. Fuck, that 20 guys getting smacked.
You see, 18 is holding, surprisingly.
A new 5-minute candle. Alright, let's see if it cracks now.